Okay, system's booting up right now. This is our first video, and here we can see the screen. This is the startup screen. Well, for now, it'll change. We have quick menu shift buttons. This screen displays temperature, and here we go to the pressure screen, and we'll see a trace of the pressure. And then these two screens don't have anything in them right now, but this is going to have time. But you know, since the time's already on this screen, we might just eliminate that one. And the other one's for recipe control. That's another option as well too. And then we have another go to home screen. Okay, so from the pressure screen, we can set the. Let me zoom in a bit here. Okay, we can set the time for the first pressure duration and then the value of that pressure, and then the second pressure time as well as its value in PSI. Right, we're going to change the units there because that measures hundredths of a second, 10 milliseconds. So we'll change this, we'll bump that up to thousands, that's 10 seconds. Okay, and these are the two pressures that we're bouncing around between 6 psi and 21 psi. Okay, so to turn the process on, hit this button. We'll change the graphic so it actually looks like a button or a switch. For now we're just testing. We change that to on, enter, and you can see something showed up on the graph there. Went up to 6. We're holding at 6. Going to 21. Got to do something about the scale on that graph. This is the first time that we're running this, so we're bouncing back and forth. Then we drop down to 6. Stay there for 10 seconds, and then bounce back up to 21. Okay, now in the actual process, the protocol that we initially planned to run, it'll be an actual minute, 60 seconds between changes. So it won't be this quick. Right. So right now we're at the point where we can start testing samples with the protocol, see how well it performs. You can see down here the gauge is showing the actual pressure that we're bouncing back and forth between. Okay, so we got to do a little bit of work tweaking the calibration to get that equal, but you know, it's within a degree of the set point. So let's see where it is. This is the proportional pressure relief valve, and we have a mechanical gauge. It's what we tried to use before, and then that was just way too inaccurate and precise. Okay, so that's the pressure function, pressure page. And the two lights on the side, the icons, they just let you know which pressure is being run at that time, the high pressure or the low pressure cycles. Okay, so that's it for now.